Hi out there, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, my Tumblr, Instagram, friends, everybody. Hello, this is Gary coming at you live, whoa, from my bedroom, aka the place where I like to masturbate just as well as I'm sure you do too on your beds. Okay, now I'm here about to open some gifts that I ordered from www.jennamarblesblog.com/store. Before I'm done ordering from jennamarbles.com blog store, I'm gonna order everything, even if I have to start a little bit every month. Okay, now here is what I received in the mail yesterday. This is item number 1. Jenna Marbles t-shirt, just make this face. And you can see her name underneath it, which is that video, how to avoid people that you don't want to talk to. That's the t-shirt, aka the face. Let's find out item number 2 that I have. They sealed it up so damn tight. They sealed it up so damn tight that it feels like tight pussy. What's wrong with that? Alright. Here's what we have. Wow! Yay! There's Kermie. I love this. My little Kermit toy. And my little Marbles toy. In the words of Jenna Marbles. Hi Kermie. Hi Marbles. You can subscribe to our channel. We make videos every Wednesday. Say bye. Bye. Bye YouTube.